And Barracks Road Primary are the leaders after day 2 of the InSports Western Region Primary Champs being held at Stets. After 11 finals, Barracks Road are out front on 95 points, 8 ahead of Coronel de Avenue Primary, while Esher are third on 78, Wakefield Primary 49 and Brompton 32 rounding out the top 5. 5 records have so far been broken, with Barracks Road responsible for 3, including the boys class 2 4x100 in 54.14 seconds and the girls class 1 4x100 in 52.77 seconds.
Good. Day 2, we had the relay finals, we had the ball throw finals. We scored some points in the field that we didn't score last year. Relays, we won 5 out of 8, so it's a pretty good day for us.
According to meet director David Riley, the weather proved a problem, but they ensured the best conditions for the athletes to showcase their skills.
Well, there are less teams than last year, but we see the participation in the context of the stress that this region had through the hurricane and the fact that some schools took a while to restart their sports program and even their academic program. We are thankful for those who made the effort, did the investment and decide to, in spite of the challenges that they have, to give the kids the chance to showcase their skills at these Paris Championships.
Meet concludes on Saturday at Stets.